Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on Skype app. To know how to fix your problems on Skype, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window of Skype and you click here. Then we go to click on force stop. You click OK. After that, we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.